Volcanoes, the Earth's most powerful and unpredictable giants. They shape continents, create islands, and destroy entire civilizations in a single moment. Yet the world beneath a volcano is even stranger and more terrifying than most people realize. Today, we uncover the secrets of these fiery mountains and the hidden forces that bring them to life. Most people think volcanoes are mountains filled with fire, but in reality they are cracks, openings that reach deep into the Earth's mantle. Every eruption is a message from the planet's interior, revealing what is happening thousands of kilometers below our feet. During massive eruptions, ash, smoke, and particles collide in the atmosphere, generating enormous electrical charges. The result is volcanic lightning, storms so violent they can light up the sky for miles. These storms are among the rarest and most powerful natural events on Earth. Lava may look terrifying, but the deadliest part of a volcano is its superheated gas. These gases can reach temperatures hotter than the surface of Venus, moving faster than a racing car. One cloud of volcanic gas can wipe out entire towns in seconds. For thousands of years, humans believed volcanoes were living gods. The Romans worshipped Vulcan, the god of fire. Hawaiian culture honors Pele, the goddess of lava. These beliefs came from centuries of witnessing destruction that seemed supernatural. Nearly 80% of volcanic activity happens under the ocean, hidden from our eyes. These underwater eruptions create new land, build mountains, and form entire island chains. The Pacific Ring of Fire alone contains thousands of submarine volcanoes. Supervolcanoes are in a class of their own. A single eruption can alter global temperature, darken the sky for months, and affect weather patterns worldwide. The last major supervolcano eruption nearly changed the course of human evolution. Lava flows slowly, but ash travels far. Volcanic ash can reach airplanes, contaminate water, collapse buildings, and poison crops. Unlike dust, ash contains tiny razor-sharp particles of rock and glass that can destroy lungs. Some volcanoes have been erupting continuously for decades, even centuries. These persistent giants release lava flows day and night, shaping the landscape in slow motion. Their constant activity reminds us that the Earth is always alive and moving. Volcanoes are not unique to Earth. Mars has Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the entire solar system. Venus has thousands of volcanoes across its surface. Even Jupiter's moon Io erupts more violently than anything found on Earth. Despite their destructive power, volcanoes also bring life. Their ash fertilizes soil, creating some of the most productive farmland in the world. Volcanic islands become homes for new species. And without ancient volcanic activity, Earth may never have formed an atmosphere capable of supporting life. Volcanoes are reminders of the immense power hidden beneath our feet. They can destroy, but they can also create. And as long as the Earth continues to move and breathe, these fiery mountains will shape our world. If you want more breathtaking documentaries like this, subscribe and join us in the next exploration.